always. Definitive ending now on the Bay. Then it'll jump into Tier 1 baseball. Should have something nice in that second half tonight, as the first half was pretty weak. So Tier 1 baseball ending after definitive. And then we jump into last break of the night, which is Leaf Valiant. So jump in, guys, if you can. We will need to pick on this. If I could actually. Alright, Masterman says he votes random. Anyone else want to vote? Top, middle, bottom, random. I don't. It's up to you guys. Padres, Giants, Mariners. Alright, random it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Alright, guys, good luck. What teams do you have? Colts and Can you give me a... Alright, that's 79, DeMarco Murray. Current team is the Titans, so that'll go to the Titans. For the Giants, jersey swatch, Evan Ingram out of 199. Giants just ended. We're on the Mariners and Cardinals ending now. Ezekiel Elliott patch. 1, 2 colors out of 49 for the Cowboys. Come on, focus. Where are you? Tim Williams auto for the Ravens out of 149. Tim Williams Golden Rookies auto for the Ravens. We get this card all the time. Out of 99, jersey auto for the Bengals, Tyler Boyd. Out of 99, jersey auto, Tyler Boyd. Lock, manual, close-up, focus. Dual jersey, Kenny G out of 75. Lock, manual, focus, close-up. I will have to figure that out. I don't know if I've ever done that, so. I don't know how do I do that. Manual, focus, close-up. Huh. Let's see it. I'll have to figure that out, Hattendorf. Thank you for that. I'll have to figure out how to do that. 75 dual jersey auto of Kenny G. And out of 79 Landon Collins for the Giants. We just started. We only did one box so far. No Vikings yet. No. No problemo. All right. Out of 49, Derek Carr for the Raiders. Oh, man. Oh, there's two Bengals. So this one goes to the Bengals. 36 of 99, Ross Mixon, Joe Williams. Newly minted triple jersey. Going to the Bengals. Rays just ended. We're on the Rangers. Ooh! Matt Ryan, 1 of 1 Nike swoosh. Matt Ryan, 1 of 1 Nike swoosh for the Falcons. Rumbling, bumbling down the road. 101 rumble bumble. 101 rumble bumble. Yeah. Blue Jays and Nationals ending in definitive. Auto for the Bengals out of 149 of Carl Lawson. Out of 99 jersey auto of Carlos Hyde. Out of 99 jersey auto Carlos Hyde for the Niners. Wrong player. Jumbo patch auto for the Giants out of 25 Wayne Gallman. And back to here out of 79 Jeremy Hill. 2 boxes to go, yo. Nationals ending now on the bay. Nationals ending now. Out of 79, D'Angelo Yancey. Jumbo jersey out of 99, Kenyon Drake for the Dolphins. Jumbo jersey, Tyler Boyd out of 99 for the Bengals. For the Eagles, out of 99, Carson Wentz jersey. Just a swoosh. For the Raiders, out of 49, Elijah Hood. This is 2017, yep. Jumbo jersey auto, Pat Mahomes, out of 49 for the Chieftains. For the Chiefs. And out of 79, Warren Moon. All right, last box. Good luck, guys. Tier 1 ending now on the bay. Tier 1 ending now on the bay. Out of 49, Michael Thomas for the Saints. Out of 99, jersey for the Rams, Todd Gurley. Out of 75, jumbo jersey for the Cardinals, David Johnson. Jumbo jersey, Paul Perkins patch out of 49, 2 colors for the Giants. For the Saints, out of 149, golden rookie auto of Marshawn Lattimore. Tier 1 ending now, Braves. Oh, that's my buddy. Out of 75, triple jersey auto, CJ Beat Me Hard. Out of 75. CJ Beat Me Hard. And out of 79, Darren Sproles. All right, definitive up next.